Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lenny and I typically provide tutorials on the latest AI tools. So if you find my content helpful, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, drop a like, leave a comment to help support my channel. In the next few minutes, I'm just going to show you how to create your own Faceless AI dance tutorial channel using the simplest parts possible. Let's get started. So the first step is to generate your image. And to generate your image, you could use a text to image generator tool, or you could use ChatGPT. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using Grok 3. And you just need to enter a simple prompt. I already have a simple prompt I have here. Generates an image of a hip hop dance group. It could be any dance group at all. I just want to use a hip hop dance group because I love hip hop. So let me put it in here and I'm going to enter. Okay, as you can see, I have about 4 photos that have been generated for me. Probably just gonna choose one of these. Probably Noble for this one. I love this one, and I'm just gonna download. The next step for me is to go to Clipfly.ai. So Clipfly is a tool I'm going to be using to generate the dance. And if you come to Clipfly.ai, they have other AI tools. So they have like a video editor, they have a subtitle generator, they have video filters, they have like gaming video editor, video trimmers. They have a lot of tools inside this particular tool. So if you don't want to just generate a dance scene and you want to generate something else, then I'll encourage you to explore the AI tools they have available. As you can see, they have like AI face dance, AI photo animator, AI video upscaler. They have a lot of things here. So I encourage you to try those ones out. Now, when it comes to the Grok layout, you could basically use just one, or you could use 2. I'm just going to use 2. So I downloaded 2 images. And on the free version, you see about 10 credits, which is good enough for about 3 seconds of video. If you really want to have like a YouTube channel that sort of teaches people how to dance faceless, then I would encourage you if maybe you could consider getting more credits in their pro version. Okay, so the first step is to drag the 2 images in here. Okay, so now that I have these 2 images, the next step is for me to describe what I want. So you can just basically, if you are like a dance tutor, you can go into details in terms of the type of dance, the movement, the motion type. But for the purposes of this tutorial, I am not like a great professional dancer. But I'm just gonna keep it simple, okay? And like I said, you could also change the background for your videos, okay? But I'm not gonna change my background. I'm just gonna keep it as normal. I'm just gonna keep it as normal. So I'm just gonna keep the background the same. But if you want to change the background to give it a different feel, a different look, then you can do so from the options they have here. So I'm just gonna say generate dance group dancing to hip hop music. I'm just gonna enter and then I'm just gonna click on generate. What I like about this tool is that it doesn't take a while to generate, unlike other AI tools I've tried out. Okay, so a video has been generated. I'm going to expand it and play the outcome for you. Okay, so it generates the 10 credits basically used as a 3-second video so that you have an idea of how it looks like. I'm going to download this now. And then the next step is to go into CapCut. So CapCut, if you don't know, CapCut is my go-to editing software. I use CapCut to edit my videos. So I'm gonna come in here and then I'm gonna drag the video into CapCut. And then the next step for me is to add a music. Okay, since this is hip hop dance, I'm just gonna drag this music down here. And then now let's play what we have. And then he train this a bit. Okay. Alright, so now we can take what our output and see what it sounds like. Okay, That is it for today's tutorial. Let me know what you think. Is this a tool you'd like to try out? If this is a tool you'd like to try out, let me know what you think about this tutorial. I do have my previous tutorial on an AI token avatar that works as well. I have it in 2 versions using 2 different tools. If you're interested in watching that tutorial, I'm also gonna leave that on the screen here so that you can go check it out. But for now, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.